please introduce yourself. What's your name and what do you do?
So I am Deepak. So I am from Mayiladudurai. So I joined a course in CADD Center. I basically joined AutoCAD and Revit MEP. So it's going good.
Nice. And what is your dream job and dream company?
So I'm looking for a designing job. So I'm basically focusing on the job only.
Nice. And what do you think about CAD Center First Job Pakka?
So it is a great initiative by the CADD Center. So they enable students to place in a good position in the dream job. So they are focusing on the people's dream job. So it's good initiative.
Awesome. So are you going to apply for the CAD Center First Job Pakka after completion of your course?
Yes, sure.
Awesome. So if you guys want to get your first job within 80 hours, then check out CAD Center
First Job Pakka.